to my channel, Twins IS.
Our 37th president was,
Richard Nixon.
and he served from 1969 through 1974. He was born in California on January 9th, 1913, and died on April 22nd, 1994. He was a Republican, known as Tricky Dick, and wife's name was Pat.
Did you know Nixon was closest to Reagan? Nixon was a great musician, playing the violin and piano.
Our 38th president was,
Gerald Ford.
and he served from 1974 through 1977. He was born in Nebraska in July 14, 1913, and died on December 26, 2006. He was a Republican and known as Mr. Nice Guy. His wife's name was Betty.
Did you know Ford held his daughter high school prom in the White House? He worked as a forest ranger at Yellowstone at Nature Park, directed traffic and feeding his bears.
Our 39th president was,
James Carter.
and he served from 1977 through 1981. He was born in Georgia on October 1st, 1924. He was a Democratic and known as the Peanut Farmer. His wife's name was Rosalind.
Did you know Carter was the last president born in a hospital? He grew up on peanut farm.
Our 40th president was,
Ronald Reagan.
and he served from 1981 through 1989. He was born in Illinois on February 6, 1911, and died on June 5, 2004. He was a Republican and known as the Great Communicator. His wife's name was Nancy.
Did you know Reagan had a lot to carry at anger and Indian leader? He was the oldest president in 69. When he took office, he loved jelly beans and used to keep a bowl of them on his desk.
Our 41st president was,
George H.W. Bush.
and he served from 1989 through 1993. He was born in Massachusetts on June 12, 1924. He was a Republican and known as Bush 41. His wife's name was Barbara.
Did you know he survived Fort plane crashing during World War II? He went skydiving on his 80th birthday. Please like and share.